So I've come here to show you is the same river as the other day, and I've come here to show around the pillars of the bridge. There, the bridge, and around the pillars it's very frozen, and there are here little waterfalls, and I don't know if you can see, but in the in the waterfalls there are also very big pieces of ice. It's all frozen in the waterfalls. Can you see it? You see the big ice blocks, and they're up there. The river is all frozen. It's all frozen on this part, not on this part, but on the part on the left up is all frozen. Yeah, it's really lovely.